Today we will solve a question reverse linked list. So this is question. You just have to reverse the list. Means if 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then you just have to return the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So this is a very simple question. First you have to create list node previous. Okay, which is pointing to the null, and you have to create the 3-pointer, which is means 3-pointer means first one is previous and second one is future, which is pointing to the head. And also you have to create list node star, which is current, okay, which is pointing to the head, and check. And you have to do this while current, okay, you just have to do future ka next, means you just have to move future ka next. Future equals, sorry, future, it's future, and future means the next one from the current. Okay, future is current ka next. Okay, current ka next. After that, current ka next, current ke next mein you have to put the previous. Okay, and make the previous equals to current, and current equals to future. Okay, and this is the very simple question. You just have to return the previous. Let's check it whether it is running or not. Yeah, this code is running properly. Let's submit it. It is submitted. Thank you for watching.